What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? Oh my god, it is hot. Let's try this again.
I will be rolling it.
Alright, that's a little bit better. How you guys doing today? Wow, it is really hot out here, man. It's hot as crap. So I think today is the day we are getting rid of this wheel gap. Yep, today is the day we are lowering the Jetta. So let's start with the back ones. How much dust is on these crap? So much dust. Then this one and this one. So here these are the rear ones. I actually lucked up and had a cap off of these old. So I ended up just taking the cap off of those, which was lovely. So I have those caps, and I'm going to use my. But I'm pretty sure this is just. Should be that simple. It's just coilovers. So it seems like it's just two up top, those same two that was on the other ones that I took out over there. So those same two, and I think is one here, and that holds on to the other side, and that releases this beam. And I think I can just break that spring out at the same time. So let's knock it out. This one. Alright, oh, that's out. Alright, so now that should just come right on. Out of there. Oh, spot. This is about to be a task to get out of here. Finally. Fudge. So I got my piece of wood that I used to hold up my hood with, and I'm just putting it between the spring and trying to get the spring out of where it's at. And I got it. Like a boss. Like everything else that I bought for this Volkswagen, something almost doesn't fit, but it fits. You see that trap? That is such a tight fit for that in there, man. I'm almost there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm almost there. You see the little silver part right there? I've been beating at that probably about 15 minutes now. I don't know if you can see all the scrapes on it, but yeah, this is something. Anyways, it does look good though. Alright, so one of the back sides is done. I need to paint those calipers. One of the back sides are done, and I wonder how far it goes down now. Let's see. So check me out, guys. There we have it. I really love it. Now I might still lower it down, maybe just a little bit. I don't think I'm touching on anything on the inside, but yeah, them 18s fit perfect inside that well slammed like that. And then on the other side, same thing on the other side. My thing is this. I don't want it to be tucked. I don't want it tucked. I want it flush. So I'm liking how it looks. I don't want to put a spacer on it. And I don't want to poke anymore. I had poke on my last car. I don't want poke. I want flush. Flush with the body of the car. You feel me? And I think I achieved that. Drop a comment and tell me what you guys think below. I guess tomorrow we will get at the front and pull that monster truck down in the front right there, and the front will look perfect. I think once I pull the front down, That's just gonna look tough, son. And those tires are a 225/45, so they fit perfect. They really fit perfect. So drop a comment, tell me what you guys think. Drop a comment and tell me what you guys think below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an amazing day. At least I did end up getting the rear done before the storm came. That's crazy. It was just sunny.